Hi artists, it's your art teacher, Miss Herring here. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw the planet Saturn. Let's get started. For our drawing today, you'll need some coloring tools. That might be crayons or markers. And you'll need pencil, paper. I'm going to open up my sketchbook to a clean page. And if you'd like to draw a perfect circle, you can try practicing drawing some circles beforehand on scratch paper, making your hand go in a circular motion without touching your pencil to the paper. And then finally set it down. Or you might gather something that's a shape of a circle, like a lid from the kitchen, a roll of tape, something that's a circle shape you can trace instead. But you know what? If you do that technique I just showed you, where you hold your pencil close to your paper and do a few circles without touching and then let your pencil touch, you get a circle that's pretty circular. All right, so the very first step is to draw that big circle. Go ahead and draw or trace your circle now. The next step will be to add the rings to our planet Saturn. So we're going to start coming to the left side of our circle, kind of toward the middle, and we're going to draw a letter C. Remember that artists put shapes that they already know together in order to draw new things. So draw yourself a letter C there. And then I want you to come to the opposite side, on the right side, and we're going to draw a backwards C. It almost looks like we're drawing a head with little ears on the side of it. Okay? Then we're going to connect from here, this bottom line, all the way over to this part. Ready? Let's do it. Okay, now this is not enough rings for the glorious planet Saturn, so we're going to come a little bit past the top of our C, and a little bit past the top over here. And we're going to make, and I am not going to use my pencil for this part, we're going to make a line that goes out and around and here. That way we can practice drawing it first before we put our pencil to our paper. And make your marks light, that way if you make a mistake, it's not a big deal. It'll be very easy for you to cover it up or erase it. And come to this side and do the same thing. Then connect them. And I'm going to go back to my line that I liked and trace over it. Because I have some little sketchy lines there, and I don't want to use those sketchy lines. Okay, now we're going to go in and add some more rings to our planet. We're going to follow along underneath the line that we have, leaving about a finger's width. And another one. Beautiful. Now we've got kind of 3 rings going around our planet. Now, to make our Saturn a little bit cute, if you want yours to look realistic, you can stop here and not add the face, but if you want that cute factor, we're going to start by drawing 2 circles for eyes. So you'll come up here and we'll draw 1 circle and then another circle. And we'll come between those circles and draw a little letter U for a smile. We can give our planet some eyebrows with kind of an oval shape or a sideways 0. Then let's go back into the eyeball and make the letter C on its side, or a big wide U, either way. If you can draw a U or a C, you can do this move. And after that, we're going to put a sideways 8 near the top of the eye, or 2 circles next to each other. Sideways 8 or 2 circles next to each other. And if we want to add some little freckles, we can come underneath. All right. The last step before we add color is we're going to add some stars to the background. Artist, if you know how to draw or write the letter V, then you know the steps that you need to make a star. We're going to start with an upside down V. And you can pick where you want to draw it. Then we're going to draw 4 more V's, because stars have 5 points. So we have 1 V, go to the left and draw a sideways V, 2, go to the right and draw a sideways V, 3, go to the bottom and we're going to draw like a W or 2 V's next to each other. 1, 2. And if you want, you can add a little face to your star as well. And if you liked drawing a star, well, you could come and draw another one, maybe a bigger one or a smaller one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I made that one a little bit wide, so I'm going to come back and fix it. All right. The last step is for you to add color. You can pick what colors you'd like to use. In real life, the planet Saturn has kind of a grayish orange color to it with hints of blue, but we've already made it kind of cartoon with the face, so you could really use whatever colors you'd like. For the eyes, I'm going to zoom in to show you how to make sure you don't color in that bubble highlight. I'm going to go through and color the eyebrow, and then I'm going to color all the way around. And leave that bubble highlight. After you've done the eyes, you can go back and outline and color in your Saturn with your crayons and markers. I'll show you an example, but you can use whatever colors you like. Go ahead and color it in with me. Artists, I hope you had fun drawing a cute Saturn with a face, or if you love the face-off, a realistic version of Saturn with me today. Don't forget that artists use shapes like circles and zigzags, triangles, to make things from the world around them, or in this case, something that's out of this world. Have a great day, artists.